Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials: Apple TV 4K or HD running TV OS 17 or later, and an iPhone/iPad signed into Facetime. Once done, make sure both devices use the same Wi-Fi and that Bluetooth is on for discovery. Now open Control Center on your iPhone, tap the screen mirroring or handoff icon, and select the Apple TV. This starts the connection. It tells the TV to accept FaceTime input and hands off the call from your device to the big screen. You now launch FaceTime on your iPhone or iPad and pick a contact or dial. After initiating, tap the handoff icon or choose SharePlay to move the call to Apple TV. This streams the video to the TV while your device handles the camera and mic unless you use a compatible webcam. Make sure camera and microphone access are allowed. Then adjust camera framing and speaker volume from your iPhone. Meanwhile, the TV shows participants and any shared content, keeping controls responsive and visible. To finish, end the call on your iPhone or press the Apple TV remote home button to return to apps. Confirm the call disconnected to avoid open streams. If you hit problems, audio lag, no camera, or dropped handoff, restart both the Apple TV and iPhone, re-enable handoff and Bluetooth, then try again. Also check Wi-Fi bandwidth. Switch to a 5 GHz network or move closer to the router to reduce latency. Because stable network and correct permissions, our Wi-Fi FaceTime on Apple TV stays smooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.